Hello everyone, how are you? Now let's go straight to the video. I was driving and I saw this plant. I had to stop and then make this quick video. For those of us that are into soap making and are interested in herbal soap, you know that's my passion, herbal soap, right? So please just watch this video I have about this herb, okay? Senna alata, okay? Cassia alata, king of the forest, okay? For my Hausa followers, na gan wani ganye ne wani itace da yana da amfani a sabulun herbal soap ko yana da amfani a sabulun wanka, yana gyara jiki, yana gyara kuraje. So na san dai wannan video din dai maybe ba za ku iya ku gane komai da na faɗa ba, especially those of you da ba kwa jin turanci da kyau, amma ku kalli ganye din ku gan shi yadda yake, gaskiya yana da amfani a cikin sabulu ko a cikin black soap da za a yi saboda ya kashe kuraje, ya kashe maƙyanƙyaro, yana da kyau. So this is my Senna alata or cassia alata. Okay, so this I separated the seeds from the leaves. So this plant has many benefits. It's also called the king of the forest. Okay, it's called the king of the forest. It has so many uses. It is also called candle bush. It can be used to treat rheumatism. It can be used as a laxative. The seeds and leaves have very high importance. Okay, it can treat a wide range of skin infections. It is also used as a purgative. That is, you can use it to induce vomiting. So it also has anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-helmintic. That is, can remove worms. Okay, it has a short term. This leaf is wonderful. That's why they call it king of the forest. Some people use it as decoration. They use it as medicine. It is very important in natural medicine, even in pharmaceuticals, and there is evidence on it, as in most of the plants, they'll say there is no evidence. This one, there's evidence it works. It is used in alternative medicine. It's found in a lot of countries, like for example in the Philippines, even in Nigeria here. I got this one here in Nigeria, okay? Both the roots, the flowers, the bark, all are used, okay? In short, this candle bush or candlestick or king of the forest or cassia alata or semina alata has a lot of compounds in it, which I don't think let me just mention some. Of course, there are alkaloids, flavonoids, lectin, tannins, and then some names I cannot even pronounce are all here. It is very good for treating insect bites and especially ringworms. It's used for cough. The leaves can be used to treat cough. The concoction of the leaves can be used to treat a wide range of skin diseases and cough, intestinal worms, which I've already mentioned before. It has good antifungal and antimicrobial properties. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antipyretic. Antipyretic means it can bring down body temperature. Anti-helmintic means it can be used to deworm. Anti-diabetic, we all know what anti-diabetic means, to treat diabetes. Anti-tumor, it can kill the larvae of insects. For example, nematodes in our sheep and goats, okay? You can use it to get rid of parasites. As a laxative also, it can be used as a laxative. You boil the leaves in water and then use it to treat constipation. And all this has been backed by research. It has been backed by research. Okay. Recommended dosage use is half to 1 teaspoon of the dried leaves okay, and half to 1 teaspoon of the dried leaves or 1 fresh leaf in boiling hot water, just about a cup. That's about 250 mils. Okay, it's okay. And for skin diseases, you can also heat it up in 2 tablespoons of or crush it about 2 tablespoons of it in coconut oil until it turns into a poultice or a thick paste, and then apply to the area. Okay, so or you can decant it, make an extract with it. In short, the uses are many. The uses are many. That's why when I saw this plant, I had to stop and look for it. Honestly.